Rise up, kings and queens. We are here in Paradise Estate with the beautiful Bintou. Yes, the agent on this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. She will tell you more. But hey, Bintou, welcome once again. It's been a long time.
It's been a while. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. It's been a while, but we are back again and stronger.
That's right.
So this is the actually it's a 6-bedroom house.
Okay,
like
entirely.
the main house is having a 3-bedroom.
Okay.
And this is the main house, and then you have a single bedroom over there.
Right.
And then you have another 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom over on
single,
that side.
like 2 single rooms here.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to take the complete house,
That's possible.
yeah, that's
as well.
possible.
All right, guys, you heard it from Bintou. Let's take a look inside. So guys, we are here at the main entrance to the main house.
Alright.
Alright, let's take a look inside.
Oh, the door is shut.
AP, I like the door here. It's stylish, you know?
Very stylish.
You know that glass right there, so?
A glass?
But you can't go in still. You have to pull the door with key and go in. You can't break it. Very sharp.
Solid.
Alright. Hello guys, welcome to the main house. Now as we enter through the main door, we are walking right into the walkway, and to my left of this entryway here is a huge sitting room. It's huge guys, and it's very beautiful. And before we even take a tour of the beautiful living room, let's look at this doorway. This is a sliding door guys.
It's very nice.
Look at the golden door with glass. Yeah, and guys, this is really matching in with the rest of the living room, and you will see why I say that. All right, look at it. This is fitted out with all the curtains already, so you know that this property is a furnished property for rent, right guys? Oh my gosh, this is what they call luxury lounge, Amy.
Yo, shut.
Oh my gosh. You definitely want to sit in this couch. It's really nice. And look at this. You can have you'll be watching TV, you have your drink right here, your beer or whatever, for those who love beer. Yeah. And entertain yourselves. The kids could be, you know, sitting on the mat. Alright, let's hey. I wonder who named Sophie. Anyways. Alright guys, so look at the lights in the roofing. Oh my gosh. I tell you, this theme, guys, this theme is really working well. That kind of goldish looking vibe going on with the black furnitures, and you know, it's fitted in well with the black TV and this black entertainment center right here. Alright, let's take a look in the rest of the house.
Shall we?
I'm so excited guys to see what is next. So guys, we've left the living room, and now, you know what, I won't take you this side yet. Let's go to the right.
Wonder why.
Alright, so guys, this is the 2nd bedroom to the house, and as you can see, it's beautiful. Nice furnitures. I think these are brought in from overseas. If not, they are made here, but we can confirm that, yeah. And I like the tones that are going on here. It's like a pink theme with a little gold coming back into the picture. Yeah, and these white furnitures really blends in very nicely. So guys, we've left the 1st bedroom that you've seen here, and this is the bathroom. All right, for that, and it can also be used as a guest bathroom as well. So it's a standalone bathroom, but the room here will be using it, and if you have guests otherwise, they can use it. All right, so it's a nicely white and blue theme going on in the bathroom here. And to my left of this bathroom is the kitchen. Now you might be asking me, where are the cupboards and everything in the kitchen? But this kitchen will be setting up very soon, and so we are just informed that the stove and the fridge is just here for now, but it will be setting up very soon. All right, so stick on it. Wow, look at this white archway right here at the door, and I like that it's coming. It's a theme coming right in, because you can see it along the wall here and the entryway. You see it in the doorways, and you see it in the ceiling. So what a nice blend. Let's get inside and look. So guys, this bedroom right here is the main master bedroom, right? So we have two master bedrooms. This is the first one that we'll be seeing, and look guys, look at how big it is. Look at this beautiful wooden wardrobe. Oh my gosh, I do love it, baby. I do love it. And it's a soft close wooden closet, yeah, and you have two of them as a matter of fact. So all right, let's move on to the bed, guys. It's also matching, so it's not just the wardrobe, but the bed is matching as well, you know. Look at the bed head. This seems to be locally made, you think? Nice wooden finish, as I was saying earlier. And guys, above this nice bed here, I think this is a king size bed, yeah? So above this king size bed is a nice chandelier, black and gold, you know. So it's matching back with a little of the theme that's going on in the space. Now let's take a tour of the bathroom. Ooh, what a bathroom, big. You like this bathroom?
This bathroom is huge. The tiling, the coloring is very nice.
I know, right?
That's what I love.
I love this tile. Oh my gosh, it's so seamless. And look guys, this is, woo, it's a nice shower right here. Big space, you know. And
it's a step down shower.
Yes, it's a step. You just step down a bit. And then you have your nice toilet and a floating vanity, you know. It's really nice, guys. I like the white with the gold trimmings, and it matches back very well with the tiles here as well. Yeah,
it's nice.
And it's actually bringing in that look from the chandelier, the theme from the chandelier as well. All right, and right here is also an additional storage or closet space that you can use differently from this closet here.
Yeah, we've seen the living room, the kitchen.
That's right, we've seen the first bedroom.
And now this one.
And this is the main master bedroom.
Okay.
So we'll now have one more bedroom to look at, and that would be the next master bedroom. All right, let's go. Woo. Hi guys, so we are here in the next master bedroom, and so as you see, we have another white bedroom set along with this nice neutral paint color with this golden matching curtains right here. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we also have a matching wardrobe that comes with the bed set. Yeah, now we're gonna take a tour in the next bathroom. Alright, so welcome to the next bathroom.
It's nice.
This bathroom is fitted out with a water heater as well. So
yeah, electric water heater.
Alright.
This room is nice. I like it. I like the simplicity of it, although there's a lot of color going on in here. Yeah. And I think if you rent it, then you can change the decor to what you want. That's also nice. So.
I believe so too. So guys, we are wrapping up the tour of the main house and the outdoor of the property as well. But for the most part, this property is being rented out and it will be furnished. So you're getting a furnished bedroom and a furnished house, and it will be secure because it does have security cameras as well as some high fencing around it. All right, let's go.